Today, we're diving deep into something that affects absolutely everyone, everywhere. It's the engine room, really, of human behavior and markets. The universal puzzle of scarcity and choice.
It's everywhere.
Think about your daily life for a second. Have you ever noticed how just one, maybe seemingly small change, like say the cost of fuel going up, how that can just ripple through everything, sort of destabilize things?
Oh, absolutely. It's that immediate connection, that chain reaction you mentioned. It's universal economic linkage, really. If the cost of transport spikes, doesn't matter if it's getting produce from a farm in, say, West Africa, or imported coffee beans arriving in Europe.
Right.
The end consumer feels it pretty much instantly. Transport fares go up, food prices follow, and bang, suddenly every household budget, every student budget feels tighter. Doesn't matter where you are.
And that's the key point, isn't it? It's not just a local problem. The specific thing might change. Maybe it's curry prices in Port Harcourt, maybe it's your tube fare in London, but the underlying mechanism, it's identical. A squeeze on one resource just forces these, well, often painful choices somewhere else down the line.
Exactly, and that underlying mechanism, that's really what we're here to unpack today. Our mission, if you like, is to look at economics not as some dry academic thing.
Yeah, not textbooks and graphs necessarily.
Right, but as the practical study of how those everyday choices, sometimes painful, like you said, how they connect up to the huge systems we all live inside. We're basically trying to pull out the essential knowledge. Why do we have to choose? Why does it matter?
Okay, so let's build that foundation then. If we're talking about choices driven by limits, by constraints, what's the clear sort of functional definition of economics itself?
Well, at its heart, economics is a social science. Simple as that. It studies how people, individuals like you, businesses, whole governments, how they allocate resources. But the real kicker, the insight, is why they have to allocate them, why they must choose. And it boils down to one